DogWifHat is doing it again. We are up more than 40% just today. Let's have a look at the data. Let's have a look at the blockchain data that most people are not looking at. Now here's the rally. We are currently at $2.09. We are up 40% today, 177% this week, and 921% this month alone. And so let's try to estimate how much longer this rally can last. Let's look at comparables first. DogWifHat has a market cap of a bit over 2 billion. Bonk, the largest meme coin on Solana, has a market cap of 2.3 billion. So there's really not that much difference anymore between those two meme coins in market cap. In the current market cap, in the fully diluted market cap, there is a massive difference. Because look at this, all DogWifHat tokens are already circulating. There's no difference between fully diluted and the current market cap. But for Bonk, that's different. Bonk still has token dilution. Only 70% is circulating. What that means is that more and more supply for Bonk will hit the market, potentially depressing the price. If currently the momentum will be the same, if the same kind of money flows into both tokens, it's very likely that DogWifHat will outperform Bonk. Simply because Bonk's supply will expand and will have more sellers down the road. Now I've been talking about DogWifHat for a long time on this channel when it was still at 27 cents. And so if it's your first time stumbling upon this token, maybe you should be following channels like this and be early next time. Now here is how that video performed. At the beginning, nobody was interested in the token because the token didn't do much. But then over time, it appreciated more and more and more. And now it's actually an outperforming video. It's doing better than the average. This is how YouTube works. The algorithm, unfortunately, is rather slow. Now, right now, in the last 24 hours, DogWifHat was the most traded cryptocurrency on the Solana chain. The second most was Myro, then we've got Jupiter. Combined, there's roughly 20 million in liquidity. That's 5 times more than Myro. So yes, it's possible to ride this meme coin rally with DogWifHat and with Bonk, but the upside might not be as high as for something like Myro. Now let's have a look at those on-chain metrics that I was mentioning. I always like to see an expanding investor base because this is in the end how meme coins work. They are a play with attention. So you want to see more and more people jumping on this train in order for the price to rise. So let's have a look at the following chart. This is the last 90 days of trading for DogWifHat. So what we're seeing here is the number of recurring traders and the number of first-time traders. And ideally, you want to see the number of first-time traders exceeding the number of recurring traders. That's when the asset is clearly in demand. When we then don't see a lot of first-time traders and mainly recurring traders, that's also when the price tends to go down. So feel free to correlate this with the price. Now recently, attention spikes up again since the end of last month. And the number of first-time traders is almost as large as the number of recurring traders, even though DogWifHat has been around for such a long time. So this is very, very positive. We want to exactly see this. We want to see more and more people jumping on this because the people that just traded for the first time, they might even double down, right? When the price continues to go up, people might buy again. So I find it always very reassuring to see those two numbers being very close to one another and not seeing the recurring traders outpacing the new time traders too much. Now here's another very interesting chart. This shows the number of transactions on chain for DogWifHat. This is very much at an all-time high. And let's have a very close look how much further this can rise. Because there is obviously a bit of a problem, right? In the end, it's an attention game. If we are currently already at peak attention, then we've got a problem. We need the attention to further grow. If the attention is high, the price is high. If the attention is low, the price tends to decline. But so far, I believe things look still relatively healthy. There's a lot of new buyers coming in. If it's your first time here, feel free to subscribe. I publish videos regularly. A like would be very much appreciated as well. It helps the channel grow. This tool is available to the premium members. Link is down below, thebitcoinstrader.com. Feel free to check it out. And if you've got Telegram, feel free to join us. Link is as well down below.